Welcome to Simple Watch Talks. Today we'll be taking a look at a Boderry field watch. This is a watch that I'm really excited to show you guys. Let's get right into it. It comes in this shipping container kind of plastic packaging. We have the user manual, we have the unsigned warranty card, and then we get to the watch. As you can see here, I've already taken this watch out of the box, and I've also taken all the plastic out so that I can experience the watch before I can talk about it with you guys. This is Boderry Voyager A11B03. It is an automatic watch. It retails on AliExpress for around 115 USD. It comes in a lot of other variants. It comes in stainless steel, titanium, and also dial colors and hands can differ from model to model. I'll leave a few links for price suggestions in the video description. Let's start with the case dimensions. It's 40mm across the case, 12mm thick, and 48mm lug to lug, with 22mm between the lugs. The case materials, this is actual bronze. This is not plated stainless steel or anything like that. And the reason I got the bronze variant is because the more you use it, the more it builds or develops this patina, and that's what I'm interested in. It comes supplied in this NATO style leather strap. We'll talk a little bit about it later on. Just to show you the case back. So the case back is made out of stainless steel, and it has this navigation wheel with a few specifications, and it's a screw down stainless steel case back, right? Going back to the front of the watch, we have a sapphire crystal, and I think there's some anti-reflection coating there because it's kind of deals with the light a little bit. So this dial is called sandstone green. This is the color of the dial. It's not actual sandstone as far as I know, but it has that texture of sandstone. I really like that color, and I think that it matches the bronze color very well, and also it suits the colors of the bronze and also suits the colors of the hands, right? We have an outside chapter ring made out of squares and arrows. We also have numbered minutes at every 5-minute increments. We have Arabic numeral indices from 1 to 12 and also sub-Arabic numeral from 13 to 24. We have the Boderry logo above the pinion and Voyager automatic below the pinion. Hour hand and minute hand are syringe style in orange, and the minute hand goes all the way to the outside chapter ring, which is actually great in my opinion. It helps with legibility. The second hand is lollipop style. It's bronze, and also it is loomed. So the entire watch is loomed with Swiss Super Luminova, and I'll show you some loom shots. But in terms of legibility, I'm really happy with how it looks. I was surprised because I didn't expect it to be this legible. And we also have a date window, and we have the mention automatic in red. This watch is powered by the Seiko Inch 35, which offers calendar, display. It also hacks, hand winds. Let's go ahead actually and unscrew the crown, because also this crown is screwed down, right? And the watch offers 100 meters of water resistance. So we pull the crown to the first position, we can actually change the date. If we put the crown to the second position, we can change the time. There we go. Once we change the time, we can screw the crown back in. I would have preferred if it didn't have any date window. That would make the dial even better for me personally, but if you can see, the date window is kind of bordered. The watch is supplied in this NATO style leather strap. It's a little bit on the stiff side, especially when I first took it out of the box. I'm not sure what is the material in these strap holders or in the clasp. I guess it's also bronze. It's not specified on AliExpress. I would say it's actual bronze, but it might be plated stainless steel. Let me put it on my wrist so that I can show you some wrist shots. There you go. Here it is on my 6¼ inch wrist. And personally, I believe it wears very well. It's a little bit elevated because of that double leather strap, and I didn't want to cut it or anything. And I still think it wears pretty well. I don't think it's oversized or anything like that. Let's talk about what I love about this watch. The case design and finishing, the bronze color, screw down crown, 100 meters of water resistance, colors on the dial and the hands, and how it suits the overall vibe of the watch. And also the strap holders and the clasp, the color matches the case, for me is a huge plus. What I would have improved, the date window. I would go without date in my opinion. This is it. This is what you get for $115. An automatic watch that has a lot of personality, very good finishing, beautiful colors. I am interested to know, what do you think of this watch? Do you own or did you own any Boderry watches? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please leave a like and also consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching.